Hi, I'm Dr. Willie Ong. In this video, I'll teach you some simple techniques to lower your blood pressure quickly. Of course, if you are diagnosed with high blood pressure, which means your BP is higher than 140/90, then you probably need to take maintenance medicines. But these three techniques can help you lower your blood pressure whether you are taking medicines or not. An additional benefit is that it can also reduce your heart rate. So the first step is to try deep breathing exercises. You can be sitting down or lying down. Find a comfortable and quiet place. So inhale slowly, counting up to 5 seconds. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Then exhale slowly, counting up to 5 seconds. You can do this several times, deep breathing and slow breathing to lower your blood pressure and heart rate. So it feels good. A study in 2005 showed that those who tried deep breathing exercises lowered their blood pressure by around 4 points. Second technique is to try abdominal or diaphragmatic breathing. For this breathing exercise to be effective, you must use your diaphragm or abdomen to take deep breaths. So these are our lungs. The diaphragm is located here. When you inhale, you can either use your chest muscles or intercostal muscles, but this is less effective. So when you use your diaphragm, you can suck in more oxygen. So I'll show it to you. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your abdomen. So when you inhale, your abdomen should expand. So inhale, abdomen expand, then exhale, abdomen in. Inhale again, abdomen expand, then exhale. For those patients with lung problems like COPD, emphysema, you can also close your mouth slightly when you're exhaling. This is called pursed lip breathing, which doctors recommend for those with lung problems. So when you inhale, then exhale while closing your mouth slowly. Using pursed lip breathing, it keeps the air sacs or alveoli more open, so you get more oxygen. The third technique is to use mental imaging. Picture a restful place or scenery, an old house, a memory from childhood, or your favorite travel spot. Imagine you are there for a few moments. So with these three simple techniques, you can lower your blood pressure, your heart rate, and make you feel more relaxed. I hope this video helped you. Take care.